make sure you subscribe and like. Wait, let me try it over again. Hello guys, we're back to a brand new video. Make sure you subscribe to the post notification and remember, hit that like button and let your paw. Cause you know we're the Fox Pack. So in today's video, we are looking at the Ruby. What the heck is this? Oh, that's a rabbit. Okay. I wonder what this is. I didn't know this is Minecraft. I almost said Roblox. So today we'll be doing the Ruby mod. So it replaces every diamond in Minecraft with rubies. I have everything in my inventory, and we're just gonna look at everything. So the first item will be the armor. So we have the ruby armor. Oh wait, before we do that, this is my official Minecraft Foxy skin. It's not a fox, but you know I like it. It will be in the thumbnail of the video. I know you already saw it. He's like animated and moved around. So that's gonna be in my Minecraft thumbnails. And I'm still working on how to make better, Roblox thumbnails. So we're gonna be trying out all these. Okay, so this has 7 attack damage. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. It's just regular. 5 attack damage, 6 attack damage, and 4. I think those are just regular Minecraft things. We'll look at all this other stuff later. Oh, we're gonna need a horse. I'll do that in a minute. So I'm gonna go kill some mobs in survival real quick if I die. And I don't think I have keep inventory on. Can't turn it on right now. Until I can turn keep inventory on real quick. Immediate respawn. Oh, keep inventory. There you go. Hey. Now let's just go. Go on and charge into battle real quick. Oh, what happened? Oh, what? Gosh. What am I doing? S. Let's see how good this armor works on mobs and stuff. I'm just gonna walk around and find. Oh, hello. Let's see how good this. Oh, so why wouldn't you hit me? Okay, it's pretty good. I don't know if I really took any damage. I wasn't looking. I know something just. Oh, here's a whole bunch of other stuff. Huh? Oh, see, I didn't take damage for a second. I'm not slowed down. Is these bushes? What? Any bushes? Ah! No! Sheesh, Minecraft is. Oh! Okay. I guess harder than the last time I played it. I haven't played this game since 1.12, I think. Can you? 100,000 updates later. Mobs get harder to fight. Gosh. So yeah, that's how the. It's really good against mobs. I hate those stupid bushes. It's really good against mobs, so let me go back into creative. And see, hey, so we're back in creative. Let's get the other stuff out of my inventory and let's check out the other things in this mod. Yes, get away this bow, this. So next we're going to be looking at the ruby ore and the block of rubies. So, you go mining. So these might be a little hard to find because, the diamonds, I don't know how rare ruby is to find in Minecraft. I should have made this the thunder. Oh well. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It looks close to a redstone, but has like the little glow and its little dots. It's a little different, but it's good. The block of rubies look like emerald or iron. It looks a little similar. It looks like, I think these look like rubies should in real life. I think that's how they look in real life. I'm very unsure. So next, enchantment table, and that's for last. And rubies. Basically, rubies are the same thing as diamond are. I'm an armor because that's what you use to make it. And, all the other materials. It's pretty normal. So is there anything different inside? No, there's really not. Thank you. Goodbye. This video is going a little fast. I don't know. I'm on kind of a time limit. Not that much of a time limit, but I would like to make these videos not as long. But I want my videos to be long, but not like, long. Like almost like freaking 20 hours. Skeleton horse. Where's the regular horses at? Here it is. Horsies. Okay. I don't think I'll need a saddle for this. No. I gotta feed him real quick. You want an apple? Huh? You want an apple? Huh? You want an apple? Huh? You want an apple? What's the apples? What's the apples? Where the apples at? Where the apples at, brother? Where is it? Where is the apples? Wait, I don't even know where the apples are. Hey, you want an apple? Where'd you go? That was fun, another. Apple and an apple? Eat. Eat, I'll feed you. To your floor. Mom. Why? I just fed you. I'll feed you all the apples. No, I'm gonna keep feeding you. Like, no, cook, please. Why can't I mount you? There. Oh, that's what I'm meant to do. How do you open an inventory? Ah, there we go. So let's see how the ruby armor look on him. Oh, that's not meant to do. Ruby armor. Oh! That's gonna be looking fresh. Let me get off this horse real quick. Hey, he look nice. Okay. They really should add rubies into Minecraft. That looks great. Let's get on to our final items of the day. You know, last items. We got the beacon and we have the end crystals. I don't know if the ruby, end crystals will blow up differently, but it shouldn't. So let's go to the beacon. Let's fly somewhere, nice. Probably over here. Let's go over here. It's almost a little more flat and more open for me to do this. And here we go. See how this beacon looks. I think I know how to do this. I don't really know. Do I know how to do this? I think I do. And like that. Can I do it like this? I want to try something. Let me get one more off the edge. One more here. I want to do something. And I want to do something like that. Yay! There you go. Open you up. So it will. I want to do it to give you speed. Oh, I can't do it. Speed. Yes. Oh, I put rubies in here. Yes. Hold up in my whole second. Okay. Oh well. Oh well. So yeah, it gives me speed and that. Alright, so that's the beacon. It's pretty cool. It works like a normal beacon. Now we got to see the increase tails. Up here. Oh yes, nice flat area. Yes. How do you put these down? Wait, that's not what to do. Settings here. Hard. Is that what I gotta do? Guys, tell me in the comment section down below how you put down this. Oh, it's not rain. So I guess that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you like this one. And tell me in the comment section down below. Tell me how you put down the end crystal, because I actually don't know. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Whew. Finally, yeah, I made a video. Gosh, even though I just posted it. from like 11 minutes ago. Well, 11 hours, I mean.